So as you can see, the water level is up to the 1.5 liters. So we're going to see how long it takes for this Paderno kettle to boil water. So the water's at room temperature, and there we go. It doesn't take too long before you start hearing the water. The one thing I'm not crazy over is I do find this window is a little bit narrow for reading the water temperature, and also you gotta be off to the side some because the handle seems to block the view of it. Overall, we've been using the kettle for a few days now, and it seemed to be working really well. It does seem to boil water a little faster than their other kettle. I'm just going to pause the video for a moment, and then we'll reconnect when it gets closer to the water boiling. I think the last time I did it took about 7 minutes. Kettle sounds like it's almost ready. It's doing a little rocking at the moment. There's 6.5 minutes to boil room temperature water, 1.5 liters. I figure that's a pretty good time for a kettle. And, one thing I like is easy open button there. Overall, I would recommend this kettle.